What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to address an issue I had with the liftgate on my 2015 Yukon. The liftgate would unlock and it was open slightly, but it was stuck. I didn't want to force it, so I had to figure out what's going on. It ended up being the actuator. It's called the Liftgate Power Assist Actuator, part number 843-06-929. Let me show you guys where I'm reading from. And then let me show you where that part is at. It's number 11 in the diagram. So now let me show you what the actuator looks like. There it is. That one is no good. Then let me show you how I found out that it was no good. So what you do is, while the liftgate is open a bit, just go ahead and if that part right there doesn't go up and down, that means your actuator is no good. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Sorry guys, it's only me. Okay. So I'm gonna lift. Can't do it with this flashlight, but show you what I'm talking about. So if this part doesn't move up and down like this, if it doesn't move up and down like that, then the actuator is no good. If it's not doing that, it's your actuator. So I already removed it. That's where it used to go. And I took off this panel up here. I took off this panel because you have to remove it, because the actuator is connected right here. Because the actuator is connected right here. So it goes through, you put it through here. You'll see what I'm talking about when you open up the panel. Alright, so here's what the panel looks like that I took off. It's called the Liftgate Upper Jet Black panel. And like I said before, it goes right here. So that's all you have to do is take off this panel. Take off the panel that I just showed you, and then you replace the actuator. And it's real simple to remove. It's real simple to remove the actuators. All you have to do it's real simple to remove the actuator. All you have to do is It's real simple to remove the actuator. All you have to do is get a screwdriver and just pull these clips out. Pull these clips out, and then you just pull it out and it comes right out. Alright, sorry for the bad video, but if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm about to replace it, and hopefully that's it. Alright, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Alright, that was my problem. Gave you guys a solution. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Alright.